Hello friends, today we are going to study part 2 of Indian Constitution and which is about citizenship. So, part 2 is about citizenship and there is single and uniform citizenship for the whole of India. So there is only single and uniform citizenship and there is no dual citizenship like that of US, etc. So next point is how can we acquire citizenship in India? So there is an acronym to learn that, and that is BRAND. That is by birth, by registration, by acquisition, naturalization, and D is descent. Okay, so by birth, if someone is born here in India, then he is citizen of India. If he is registered, then acquisition. Acquisition means if we acquire some territory, then people living in that territory will be treated as citizen of India. Naturalization refers to voluntarily acquiring citizenship. So if someone voluntarily acquire the citizenship of India, then he will be said to acquire citizenship by naturalization. Then is by descent. If some parent or grandparent of somebody is born in India, then he will be said to have citizenship of India by descent. So these are the 5 ways to acquire citizenship in India. Then how can somebody lose the citizenship? Okay. There are 3 ways. First is by renunciation. Second is by termination of citizenship. And third is deprivation by government or denaturalization. Okay, renunciation means voluntarily losing the citizenship. If somebody is he has multiple citizenship of different countries, then he has to renunciate the citizenship of India. Okay, then is termination of citizenship is basically acquiring another country's citizenship and then leaving the citizenship. The difference is that renunciation is voluntary and this is not voluntary. Denaturalization refers to deprivation by government. If government has deprived somebody to citizenship, this is included in third case, then there are some there are some exclusive rights of citizens. These are exclusive rights of citizens. Article 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30 and right to vote. So Article 15 is about right against discrimination. So only citizens are entitled to this right. Article 16 is about opportunities in public employment. Article 19 is about speech and expression. Freedom to speech and expression. 29 and 30 are about protection of interest of minorities. So these are exclusive rights of a citizen and these are not given to foreigners. Then also there are some offices for which only Indians are applicable, and these include President, Vice President, Judge of a Supreme Court or a High Court, Attorney General, governor of a state, governor of a state, etc. So let's sum up this. Citizenship is in part 2 of Indian Constitution, and there is only single and uniform citizenship for the whole of India. Then we can acquire citizenship in India by 5 ways, that is BRAND, brand, by birth, by registration, by acquisition, by naturalization, and by descent. Then how can somebody lose his citizenship in India? That can be by renunciation, termination, and denaturalization. And here naturalization is opposite of renunciation because both are voluntarily taken. Then there are some exclusive rights of citizens. These include Article 15, Article 16, 19, 29, 30, and right to vote. Then there are some offices which are only for citizens of India, and these are President, Vice President, Judge of Supreme Court, High Court, Attorney General, Governor of a state, and etc. So this is the important points. Thank you very much for watching this video.